Well, I'm 52, and I've been doing this probably 28 years, and it's, you know, I like what I'm doing. I love running Cat machines, and I enjoy this machine. This is a good machine. As far as loading trucks and the performance, it is outstanding. You just can't beat it. It's a keeper.
Our job at O'Neill Quarry is primarily in overburden removal. We're contracted to remove all of the non-essential material. We've had the Caterpillar 6015B on site since December of 2014, and we've seen probably about a 20% increase in production, which for us is a significant step up.
It's a big difference. I mean, from scale 1 to 10 is, you know, coming to this one here is a total 10.
The machine is totally different, night and day. It has more power. I mean, it's just it's just a better machine overall. It's like, wow, how come they didn't come out with this sooner?
This machine is able to run 2 shifts on a tank of fuel. Burns about half a tank per shift.
It's got plenty of power. It's loading 45 passes on a 775, and you know, they're loaded.
We've been able to go from a 5 and 6 pass down to 4 pass with the 6015 with the increased bucket size. The machine seems to handle a little bit faster as well.
They had to put a 5th truck on us to keep up with the machine, and I don't see a problem keeping up with 5 trucks. I mean, that's just total production digging right there.
It's like a meal. I mean, it never quits. It's always productive. 10, 12-hour shift, it's awesome. You couldn't ask for a better machine, but overall to me, it's better for the operator because the cab is bigger.
The favorite thing in the cab is the smaller controls. I love them joysticks on that machine.
The controls are very easy. I mean, you can operate it with 3 fingers.
With this machine here, you're able to cycle the key on, let the machine set, and you'll be able to see all your fluid levels with the display in the cab.
If everything checks out good, you just hit OK and crank the machine up and go to work.
It can also be used for troubleshooting. You can go into the screen and check pump pressures, auto lube pressures, when you want the auto lube greasing, where you're 15 minutes, 10 minutes. You can also change that through the display. The dealer and the customer can also be notified through Vision Link if there is a fault and or that a scheduled PM is due on the machine.
Having that display there, it just helps knowing your oil, your hydraulic temperatures, your engine, your cooling. I mean, it's right there at the touch of a screen. It's just better overall.
6015B is easy to work on. It's easy to maintain. Everything is easy to get to. You can walk all the way around the engine except the front, but you can get through a couple of doors and actually access the whole engine. As far as fueling and filling the auto lube system, you're able to do it from the ground of the machine. You don't have to climb up on the machine, especially in the dark while the machine is down during shift change. The left side of the machine has a fast fill and a auto lube fast fill. The auto lube system doesn't have to be filled up every week. It's got a percentage where you can actually watch your grease level, and it also has a built-in hose reel instead of actually having a lube truck where you can manually grease the bucket with the machine.
The catwalk is, I mean, getting up on the machine, you have no trouble.
I like the bars on there. It helps when rocks fly back at you. They'll ricochet off the bed or off another rock. And 9 times out of 10, it's going to hit the cage on the windshield. I really like that, and it's just a great machine overall.
You got a hell of a machine there, I know that. It's a digger.